Welcome to Bo's Garage, guys. So, we used the Expedition to go get that Hyundai. Well, this caliper decided it was done with this world. So, now, it's going to come with me. So I got a new one to replace it. That tire the way. Yeah, this caliper, you see the rotor itself is about done. So we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna get this old caliper off. Let me go find, let's see, it's a small ass bolt for this. Alright, we're gonna get some wrenches. We'll be back. All right. First, we're going to get this brake hose loose. Let's see. There. All right. I'll tell you one thing. Ford Motor Company can't standardize any damn thing. One bolt's 10 mil. One bolt is a, what's that? 12. The other half inch, well, 9/16. And I thought it was just maybe this one side. Nope. Both sides are like that. This rear end. Don't make no sense to me, but I'm not an engineer. I'm just an idiot with an old truck. The proper thing to do is when you're replacing these calipers, make sure you put new rotors or at least have these turned. I'm not really going to do that because I'm on a very limited budget. Caliper bolt out. There's one, that's your back. The other is freaking 10 mil. So, let's see if I can get y'all a little closer up in here. So I can get y'all in here on the action. There you go. Alright, this one finally got to the point where it's alright. Now the last piece, this dang hose. Oh, we got fluid coming through. All right. If it leaks fluid out, that's fine. I don't have to bleed this anyway, and I have plenty of fluid. And I mean plenty of damn .3. So, it's no big deal. All right, let's see if we can get this damn caliper off of here. I'll pull y'all back out a little bit. Give me a little bit better light too. There's our industrial strength pry bar. For that, I mean an old crappy screwdriver. Yeah. These pads are roached. Technically, this rotor's about cooked itself, but all right, let's go get some brake clean and restore all this. All right, we're back, and oh, shit, we got brake clean. I believe this will fully restore your brakes. No, it won't. All this is gonna do is clean this shit. Good. So we're gonna put our rejuvenatedly terrible calipers back on. And now brake fluid doesn't look bad coming out of there either. All right, let's get our new caliper over here from good old Get in the Zone. This thing came with pre-lubed. Hell yeah. There we go. Let's see. Let's put that right here. There's our new caliper. Looks a whole lot better than the old one did. For my brake pads. Let's see. Again, we're going back with the old Duralast brake pads. Why? Because they're cheap. That's why. And I am not a rich man, as you can obviously tell. I am the furthest thing from a wealthy man. That's why I do what I do. Showing you guys what to look for on old, cheap, used cars and everything else I do. It's because I have lived most of my life not having a cent to my name. So, if I could take what I know and pass on to somebody else that can help them through a tight spot, or just trying to do it on their own. Damn, where's my screwdriver? And that's all I need for me. Ah, you fucker. I mean, let's be frank. The automotive hobby is an expensive one. It's a love that we all have and we all share. But it costs us a whole lot of money, time, and mental energy. And that gets old sometimes. Now, there. All right. There's the other brake pads on the other side of the truck. And I know somebody's going to go in the comment section. It's not a truck, it's an SUV. Look, I call these things trucks because they're built on a truck platform. So in my eyes, it's no different than an F-150 with a fucking camper shell on it. That's just my 2 cents there. All right. I'm about to steal y'all. Where did I put my damn... I had a light I brought with me. There it is. All right. Now we don't look as stupid. Only slightly less stupid. Oh. Oh, the fuck? Wow, I'm dumb. No momento, por favor. This is why I hate those directional brake pads. I'm gonna put that right here so I can get this. There. Get over here and see. Dang it. The magnet's gone off this freaking there we go. See if we fix our bleeder screw. Not our bleeder screw, but the feed line. Ooh! Them barking spiders coming out to talk tonight, guys. Ooh, I don't know if you heard that one. He snuck up on me. Alright, that fits that. What's this fit? Now we gotta tighten all this down. Now these are 12s, these new bolts. But yeah. I hope I ain't been sitting here mooning this fucking camera. I'm gonna feel like an idiot. Ooh. Man. I apologize to all the nice-eared folks out there. I'm gassing y'all out. So now, I go, well, loosen this, just try to push out what air I can while I wait for the boss lady to come back home. We'll be back, guys. All right, so just gotta wait for my wife to get back so I can bleed this. But you see, if your rotor has a mirror-like finish, this is bad. This needs to be turned or replaced. Do not be as lazy as I am being right now, because it's gonna wind up killing these pads quicker. But at this point, I gotta do what I gotta do. So, and sometimes it just be like that. Sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. But the proper way, make sure you replace or have these resurfaced. I'm eventually going to replace all these with heavier brakes, but it's just, we'll have better rotors and all. But unfortunately, it's something that's going to have to wait. Don't be as stupid as me. Be better than me. Do it right. I am a cheapskate and a moron. Understand that. Now, with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great night and a great day.